Kick off the project. Unraveling the phrase. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very popular English phrase, kick off the project. If you've ever been in a meeting or planning session, chances are you've heard this phrase. But what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break down its meaning, usage, and origins, making it crystal clear for English language learners like you. To kick off the project means to begin or start a project. The phrase is often used in professional and casual settings alike, symbolizing the initial action taken to get a project moving. Think of it as the starting whistle in a soccer game, signaling players to start playing. Similarly, kicking off a project signals team members to start working. The term kick off originally comes from sports, particularly football, or soccer, as known in the US, where a game begins with a kickoff. This action signifies the official start of the game. Over time, the phrase has been adopted into everyday language, especially in the business and project management world, to denote the start of an initiative or endeavor. When you're about to use this phrase, it's usually in the context of meetings, emails, or announcements related to starting new projects. Here are a few examples. We're excited to kick off the project with a team meeting on Monday. The project kicks off next week, and we're all geared up for it. Let's kick off this project by outlining our main objectives. Understanding the phrase, kick off the project, also involves a bit of cultural insight. It's a phrase that embodies enthusiasm and determination. Using it suggests a positive and proactive approach to beginning work. It's casual yet professional, making it perfect for a wide range of scenarios, from corporate projects to personal initiatives. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to kick off the project. It's a phrase full of energy and optimism, perfectly capturing the spirit of beginning something new. Whether you're starting a work assignment or a personal venture, knowing how to use this phrase can add a touch of dynamism to your communication. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best in kicking off your own projects.